Hello everyone. Do you know there are 44 sounds in English language? In order to master the pronunciation, you need to master these 44 sounds of English. Out of these 44 sounds, 24 are consonants and 20 are vowels. These 20 vowels are further divided into 12 pure vowels and 8 are diphthongs. If you master these sounds one by one, it will help you to neutralize your accent and also help you to reduce your mother tongue influence. So I hope that you will learn more about these 44 sounds, and to know more about it, keep on watching these videos. We will explore those sounds further. Thanks.